What's up, everybody? It's Jared, and I'm going to be heading out to the Aquarius launch today in Vandenberg. It is currently 3:06 a.m. and we have 174 miles to go. So hopefully we won't hit any LA traffic at 3 a.m. in the morning, but it is LA, so we'll have to see what happens.
Construction.
Construction, yes.
No, like, it's the perfect speed, and it's just like, this has to be made into a good dubstep song.
I think I downloaded that. I didn't when he posted it on SoundCloud.
And we're out at the launch site now at Vandenberg Air Force Base, and as you can see the, no, you can't see the rocket, so it's all foggy out here, but that's okay. We'll hopefully get some noise from the rocket, and you can see, well, you can hear, not see what it sounds like, so we'll get ready for that.
Ready, NSC, ready, NSO, ready, USO, ready, BSC, ready, AC, ready, launch director, ready. Timer, set up the countdown generator for T-minus 15 minutes in counting.
I just dropped off the EV network.
Keep up to date with our launch activities and other events on Vandenberg Air Force Base. Got 2 contests going. We got 2 mission patches here up for grabs. If you go out to Facebook and like us on there, you'll be entered in a raffle for one of these. The other one is a photo contest. So if you get a good shot of the rocket today, upload it and enter yourself into that contest. Thanks for coming out. We're about 10-12 minutes from launch. So we're going to start down at this end. Just go with the camera, okay? This is my little video camera for Facebook. So, let's see. Lady in the red jacket, you're going to start us off down there. All right? Everybody get ready. It's the wave. Everybody knows how to do this, right? Okay. Let's go. Beautiful. That's awesome.
I hear it too. I don't see it.
Go, baby, go.
There. Over there. See if you can see it.
Beautiful. So it's already probably going Mach 2 by now.
Okay. So it's way up there, huh?
You did it.
That's cool.
Oh, there we go. Make sure y'all.
Forget this rest stop. We're gonna keep going.
Mexico.
Yeah, check it. AIDS life cycle benefit race. Sweet hat. I think that guy was at the royal wedding. He was. Awesome. All right, we're home now after
10 hours.
a long day. Yes, 10 hours of driving to see a rocket launch. So that's what it's like to go see a rocket launch. When it's foggy, it's usually a lot cooler looking when you can actually see the rocket. So unfortunately today it was foggy this morning, but it was still worth it because that sound is just awesome. So that's how you go see a rocket launch in Los Angeles. I'm on the mother move!